Have you seen ads for Uvora Milk Thistle Detox 2.0 all over Facebook and Instagram? They claim it can repair liver damage from drinking, flatten beer belly bloat, boost your energy to 18-year-old levels, and even improve your skin and hair, all with just one capsule a day. Sounds impressive. But today we're asking the real question. Is Uvora Milk Thistle Detox 2.0 legit or a complete scam? Let's break it down. According to Uvora's website and ads, this supplement claims to repair liver damage from alcohol, flush out fake fat, reduce bloating and improve digestion, restore youthful energy levels, improve skin glow and reduce hair loss. Their ads say your liver is overloaded from alcohol, fried foods, and stress, and that Uvora is the solution. Here's the first major red flag. Dietary supplements are not legally allowed to claim they repair liver damage. That alone should make you skeptical. No supplement, not milk thistle, not vitamins, not herbal blends, can medically repair liver damage. That's not an opinion. That's medical fact. Real liver damage requires medical diagnosis, lifestyle changes, in some cases, prescription treatment. Any product claiming it can repair liver damage is making illegal medical claims. That puts Uvora Detox 2.0 firmly in scam territory. Uvora's website also claims things like 91% felt lighter in 4 days, visible transformation in just days. But there's no clinical study, no trial data, and no source listed anywhere. Even worse, many of their before and after images show signs of AI generation, unrealistic skin textures, identical lighting, impossible body changes in days. This is classic supplement scam marketing. Another huge red flag? The website displays logos from Men's Health, ABC, BuzzFeed, other major outlets. But there are no real articles, no links, and no citations. This tactic is commonly used to fake credibility. On top of that, the site uses countdown timers, only X bottles left alerts, bundle deals that reset when you refresh the page, all designed to pressure you into buying fast. Here's what's actually inside Uvora Detox 2.0. Vitamin C 10 milligrams, milk thistle extract 300 milligrams, inositol 200 milligrams, pueraria extract 68 milligrams, L-methionine 10 milligrams, turmeric extract 4 milligrams. These are generic supplement ingredients you can find in many low-cost products. Nothing here repairs liver damage, and nothing justifies the high price Uvora charges. Now, let's talk about a serious Trustpilot review. One customer reports placing 2 orders in November 2025. By January 2026, the packages never shipped. Tracking numbers never updated. Multiple repeated attempts were made to charge their credit card. No refunds were issued. The reviewer described it as pure crime. Shipping delays and repeated unauthorized charges are major scam indicators. So is Uvora Milk Thistle Detox 2.0 legit or a scam? Based on illegal medical claims, fake statistics and AI images, fake media endorsements, high-pressure sales tactics, generic ingredients, customer complaints about non-delivery, and charges. Uvora Milk Thistle Detox 2.0 appears to be a scam. If you've tried Uvora Detox 2.0 or almost bought it, leave a comment below and share your experience. Your comment could help someone else avoid losing money. And if you want more honest reviews and scam breakdowns, subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.